As you can see, here we are, we're final. We did a lot of work on the mount. It's all aluminum now, construction with a bracket. This is a little bit of a hybrid. It has a much bigger sprocket on it. And it was a 24 Missouri Wind and Power P24, but with a green rotor in it. It has the same sprockets as Jeff is testing the Missouri Wind and Power, but we upped the bigger sprocket up here to 100 points, which is almost a 6-inch in diameter versus a 4. We did some testing yesterday. As you can see, this is a 3-wire too, and what I did to it was I did a powered it into a 24-volt battery pack inside the truck with a 30-amp shunt amp meter running through it with a digital voltmeter, and I pushed it to its limit. We were going 60 miles an hour. We produced 40 volts and over 10 amps. So you do them over 20 amps, I'm sorry, 20 amps at 40 volts. At 60 miles an hour. She started to make just a little rattle in the belt, which is spring-loaded and adjusted. So I'm going to have to fix that. Just tighten up that belt adjuster just a tad. But I don't think you're ever going to see those numbers anywhere. But it proves that this thing has the ability to take some serious wind. I think it has some very good military applications. Lightweight, can be shipped, drop shipped. It just works, man. So let's take a good look at my little setup in here. Yeah, that was kind of how I did it. Voltmeter, amp meter, 2 batteries. One was a dry cell, one was a big Volkswagen one at 24 volts, and it was 40 volts at 20 amps at almost 59 miles an hour. I really want to take it to the limit, and we have a snowstorm today, so that's it. This is Bob Man, and I'm gonna have to say my brother calls it Dorothy. He's kind of sticking in, so I call it the Treetop Windmill, and she works fine.